Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to purchase Treasury bills from a brokerage website. In this case, today, we're going to be using Fidelity's website, which is Fidelity Investments. We're one of the largest brokerages in the country. Um, so we'll be using their platform. Now, you may be using a different brokerage company, and you can always research through your brokerage company, their website, how to purchase Treasury bills. But for this purposes, we're going to be using Fidelity. So first, when you log into your account, which I already have, you want to click on Products, Fixed Income Bonds and CDs, and I did that already, so I'm at this page. Click Bonds, U.S. Treasury bonds down here, and then click on Find U.S. Treasury bonds. And it brings us to this page, which shows you all the different types of fixed income that you can buy. And we're interested in U.S. Treasuries, which is already selected here on the tab. But um, you can buy CDs from different banks. You can buy agency, government securities. You can buy municipal bonds. You can buy corporate bonds. And all offerings total 264,467. Um, we're interested in buying U.S. Treasury bills, excuse me, but you can also purchase them direct from auction. Um, and we can select this tab right here. We're already on the secondary tab, which means that institutions purchase the Treasury bills and notes already from the auctions, and then they're reselling them back to individual investors like you or I. But if we went into auction and wanted to see if there's anything available, we would click on that tab. And this is all the information gives you up here. Read all this before you purchase, but um, they would be listed in here. Right now, there's no Treasury bills listed in here because they've already had some auctions of them, and there's just nothing available right now. But there's some Treasury notes or Treasury bonds available if you wanted to purchase these directly from auction. But let's go back out, and we'll buy some Treasury bills from the secondary market, possibly Fidelity's own account that they purchased. So we want to we're on a secondary tab, and let's say we only want to go out to maybe October, which is just a couple months away, 3 months or so. We Treasury bills are sold as for a minimum maturity of either 4 weeks, or they can go up to 52 weeks or 1 year. So you can buy them, can buy them at auction or secondary market, maybe out to 4 weeks, or you can go up to 52 weeks in maturity. So they're very short duration. Um, but let's go out to October and see if we can find any. So we click on here, put our date in, October 2024, click on OK. And this shows us that there's 567 CUSIPs available. CUSIPs are basically just a number attached to each investment or security. It's a unique identifier attached to each investment. But this is the minimum maturity date that we want to go out. So it could go further than that. We could put a maximum number over here if we're looking, to only go to a certain date, maybe October to November. But this is showing us everything from October and beyond. So we click on here. And now we see that all these are treasuries that we can purchase. And not all of them are treasury bills. There's some bonds. Like, for instance, there's a treasury bond here. There's a treasury note here. And they have coupons attached to them. The treasury bills will usually say zero here under the coupon. because you're buying them at a discount and selling or it matures at its face value. So if you bought it a treasury bill for $1,000 maturity value, you'll get it basically at a discount of that, which in this case, if we bought this maturity of 10/1/2024, the yield on it, we're buying it, you're looking at the right side of the column, the ask, if you're looking for the purchase price, which in this case is 98,803. The yield is 5.329 right here. So if we were to buy this particular one on 10/1/2024 maturing, that we would pay this price. So if we bought 1,000, we would pay $988.03 for it. So just carry out this decimal over one more place here. I'm sorry, two more places. So that's how it works. You're buying at a discount and it matures at face value. So let's say we want to buy this particular one here, matures on 10/3. We're going to get it for 98 cents on the dollar, 98.77 cents on the dollar. So if we bought 1,000, we would get it for $987.70. Okay, so you buy it at $987.70, and when it matures on 10/3/2024, you will get your $1,000 back. So let's buy this particular one. It brings up this page. You can select your account. Maybe you have an IRA, maybe you just want to put in your regular account. And this shows the price up here. And let's say we wanted to buy 10,000, or let's say we want to buy $10,000 worth. So we put 10 because in Fidelity's platform, we can only buy $1,000 face value. So one bond equals $1,000 face value. So we want to buy 10 bonds to make it $10,000. And now you come over to the price and you see that it's going to be 98.77. And if you carry that over two decimal places, now you can see how much you're getting it for. $9,877.10, basically, you're getting that for. So that's what you will end up paying for the bond. And when it matures, you'll get $10,000. So you're buying at a discount and it matures at 10,000. Click on preview. And then if everything looks good, you place your order and you'll see it in your account. If you like this video, please hit subscribe down below. Thank you.